both together.
Hey! Who gave her the lollipop? I'm not jealous. I don't want one. She's just gonna lick it for like 5 seconds and then get tired of it anyway. Yeah, give me a lollipop. I deserve a lollipop right now. Someone give it to me now. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My first rhythm. A rhythm.
Warning. It's possible that the adjustment could have a strange effect. But it shouldn't ever happen in handheld mode, so that's nice.
Well, I can't play in handheld mode. I have to stream it. I'm streaming right now. I'm streaming.
If you want to play on a different TV...
I'm not playing on a TV. I'm playing on my PC. It's the Pebbles with legs. Oh! Oh! People, people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got amazing! Wonder why that was the best one I've done so far. 6. It's not my fault. Blame the game.
You look happy.
Oh, I am happy. The frogs! They're coming! Bum, 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 bam! Ba, 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 boom! Not hype enough. I need to hype more. Everybody put your hands up. Okay, now I'm ready. Oh, the pebble is still in my hand. Oh, that's funny. Ha! Get! Jump! Get big! Go! Yes! 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 Hey! 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 Shoo! Quab! I like quab. I'm a quab! Bam! 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 Oh, sorry. Jump! 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 This is hard! Ha! 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 Fruit flex! Ooh! 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 Yeah! Ooh! Apple! 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 Oh! Good! Ha! Good! Ha! Good! Ha!
Ready to bring the house down.
I'm ready to bring the house down! Good! Ha! Good! Ha! I'm getting distracted by the idol! Go!
Now to put them both together. Press A to swing your net and catch bugs.
Hey! Who gave her the lollipop? That's as big as her head. I'm not jealous. I'm not jealous. I'm not jealous. I don't want one. She's just gonna lick it for like 5 seconds and then get tired of it anyway. Have you ever seen a child finish one of those? No. Don't get distracted by the lollipop. Yeah, give me a lollipop. I deserve a lollipop right now. Someone give it to me. I want blue raspberry green apple flavored mix now. Chupa chupa choo. Chupa chupa choo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh.